Sorry. Okay. All right. We're gonna be here soon. We're gonna be here soon. Hey, there we are. There he is. So you want? Hi. You know what's happening in town? It's February 9th. Yes. My name is Dreward. Oh, just kidding. Dreward. How could I ever forget someone like you? That was close. I'm gonna get things ready for you. I feel a special kinship with Bob. Bob, I think, is my sort of spirit animal's probably racist or something. I don't want to say it. Hope you have fun in Newtown. Connecticut. Dinosaur egg. Triceratops skull. Amber. You fucking lost points for filthiness, you goddamn freak. You're a freak. When I was a kid, I used to save every single letter I got. It was a very bad time. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. I don't have a skull anymore. It's gone now. It exploded after that sneeze. All right. Oh, first order of business. I gotta go see Bob. I gotta go see Beb. And hit rocks on the way there. There we go. Nope. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, don't let me stop you. I'm not gonna do anything interesting. You don't have to. You don't have to be here. I mean, you can be here if you want to be here. It's totally up to you. I'm sorry. Work has done this to me. I say work has done nothing to me. Work has been the same for months. I did this to myself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me go give these fossils to Owlman. Okay. Well, that's fine then. That's only like what? Like 7-8 minutes? Unless you live in a different time zone. Stop working. God, I wish. If only that were an option. Wake up, you owl. Fuck. Night, owl. What no doubt priceless item do you... He could be so sassy if I already said that joke yesterday. About how he could be so sassy if he wanted to be. About, like... what no doubt priceless item you have for me this day? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I do. I have more items. Okay. Well, in that case, then yeah, you got like 6 minutes. But I'll try to be as funny as I usually am in 2 hours and 6 minutes. It should not be that hard to do. It's just like, I don't know. Instead of doing 1 joke per hour, do 3 in 6 minutes. Like an actual comedian would. I can envision it's actually hatching, though, and from the shards of new life slowly emerging, a miracle of flesh and bone. Oh, fuck. This guy's going on a whole little rant here about grass and grit life. My beak flaps on its own. Oh, you haven't been here for this, have you? Yeah, I've been doing this for a few days now. I've been doing a lot of things. Start the preserving the power reminders of our past. Oh my god. Smooth. Oh. I don't know if it's talking about the amber or my Sorry, I couldn't finish that thought. It just hurt me too much. Oh. Resin produces a defense against insects and diseases, seals wounds, allowing trees time to heal. Just like that time I took a few months off of dating to heal. And that turned into 3 years. I don't know which you I'm referring to. If it's me or... I don't know. I've been doing a lot of games. Failing the other thing. I got the bomb mask. You just weren't here for it because the game crashed and I had to start all over again. The other thing I failed was I love the text messages Colin sends me sometimes. The other thing I failed was not getting all the fairies in the first temple of Majora's Mask, but I got all the fairies the second time around because I had the opportunity to go back and do it all again when the game crashed. Oh, God. I got a message from Colin just now because I told him, I'm streaming. You gotta come hang out and stream with me. Oh, shit. And so Colin's saying, Mommy and Daddy are out. There's pizza money on the bar and no girls, Mr. Man, :3. I fucking love that stupid shit. Oh, goodness. Who? Mercy. What prattling? I must beg your pardon. I imagine you feel as though you've been captured in time. I did not feel... captured in time is one way. You know, maybe one day I'll kill Bonetail. But you probably won't see it because you'll be busy sleeping or whatever losers do. Sleep? Who does that? Only like dumb people. Right? Well, unfortunately, you'll never find it. Definitely not in the VOD of the last Paper Mario 1000-Year Door stream. It's definitely not there. Oh, it's growing! The golden tree is. It's definitely not in like the last 20 minutes of that. Oh, yeah. I know, man. Every day I look in the mirror and I just yell, get good already! Get good, you fuck! And it doesn't ever work. I don't know why. Maybe I need to get better. Oh, shit. This is savage. I'm being savagely destroyed. I need to find more rocks to hit with a shovel. Oh my god. Why don't I just have all the followers on Twitch? What with my incredible desire to hit all the rocks with a shovel. Oh my god. Let's find out what this is. Not right now. CD. Oh my god, that sounds pretty sweet. Flame umbrella? And why wouldn't I use that all the time? Oh, I need to get my shovel. I need my shovel. I need to hold my shovel. Barbaric. I should because it's like a good moment and I don't want to lose it. But for the sake of the joke, I really don't want to do the highlight of Bonetail. Because then it's way funnier that no one will ever see the destruction or the situation that occurred. But at the same time, like, that's like a triumphant moment in my life. My life does not have a lot of triumphant moments. I don't know. I'm not quite sure how you managed to pull that off. What other tools am I missing? Those are the only 3? Stately wall. Let me see it. That's too stately for me. Never mind. That's fancy carpet. Let me see it. It's too fancy for me. Oh my god. I do like that shirt. I'm gonna pass. That is a good point. highlight it so everybody can see, and then, like, even though everybody can see what happened, still continue to lie about it. I mean, I'm in denial. As far as I'm concerned, I beat Bonetail. I got all the way down to the very end before the Deus Ex Machina moment where the entire game just destroyed itself. Oh my god, I don't even believe this. I don't even believe the sass has been doled out to me today. Highlight the lying part. No, just drop it. There we go. Problem solved. What if I, like, go back and actually watch the stream back and I'm like, oh my god, I didn't beat Bonetail, and I've been like unable to acknowledge it this entire time? What if that were true? Not that it is or nothing. Maybe one day I'll beat Bonetail. I'll highlight beating Bonetail in Paper Mario, but when I beat Bonetail again, I'll highlight that as well. Because I'll beat Bonetail at some point. No one will stop me from beating Bonetail. Not even me. Not even I can stop me from beating Bonetail. What a statement that is. I can stop myself from doing a lot of things. Not usually on purpose, but I can pull it off. Alright. So, if for those... Oh. This isn't New Leaf, though. I don't know if that's a joke or not. That I didn't... Okay. Naturally, as soon as what could be a joke is made, my first thought is, did I fuck up somewhere? I probably fucked up somewhere. Also, I think to myself in like a Brooklyn accent. I don't know why. I am searching for love with a fishing rod. Wow. Wow. All right then. Well then, I'm glad that this could continue to happen. I like that you know what? It really is just appropriate that this continues to happen in chat because from this moment I began this Twitch channel, I have never been in charge of any of what happens here. I just show up, everybody else is actually in charge here. That's why I haven't beat Bonetail, because somebody else was in charge of me beating Bonetail. I dug up a faz. Searching for love with a fishing rod. That would be a great album. I don't know. I was thinking about doing some Majora's Mask. Don't stick around for my sake. You can go to bed. It'll be fine. No one will be mad at you. The chat is always right and never wrong. The customer is always right. The customer is chat. A cool customer. The coolest of customers. But yeah, I might do Majora's Mask later. It won't be anytime soon. So you need to go to bed, Mr. Dr. Walrus. Oh, okay. Maybe. It's really probably not going to be worth it. It might be like... I don't think I'm going to do any of the dungeons today in Majora's Mask. I think it might be like, oh, I'm going to do a day-night cycle and do all the Honey and Darling games. Because I'm stupid. The chat elected you. That was one person, and it was Keganator. Oh. Go back and beat Bow and Tail. That's an excellent question, actually. I don't know the answer. Why is this spot glowing? Why is that spot glowing? What a strange lighting effect. Come on, Nintendo, get with it. Alright. Oh, come on. You know you want it, fish. Damn it. I am curious though why there is no ice. Wow. Oh man. Okay. All right. I mean, I don't think I can go back and beat Bone Tail now. What if I just deleted the files? Oh my god, I've never played Paper Mario: The Thousand-Year Door ever. That was just me staring at, I don't know, a wall, I guess. I already got the big bomb bag because I got the bomb mask, but you didn't see it because, you know, reasons. I already did both archery mini games too, so that's 2 heart pieces and both quivers. So I have max quiver right now, so that's nice. I guess I could grind for the 5,000 rupees, but I've never had any issue with that in the past, so shit. Yeah. I could grind, but I've never had any reason to grind in the past, and I feel like the grinding would just be more tedious than not doing it. I could play NES Golf, like for 4 hours straight. Just let it go. Get rid of it. Who fucking cares about this stupid economy? You alright, Goldie? It's called a fish. They live in the ocean. She is like mesmerized by that thing. No, I don't want to talk. At least she was understanding about it. Okay, let's... Oh, she clapped for me. What amiibo are you using for this game? The amiibo I'm using is... I don't know. I don't have any jokes. I don't have any amiibo jokes. I'm too grumpy and old to make amiibo jokes. As I told somebody who was here yesterday. Stand, oh, gosh dang. Wow, that was me struggling like to either swear or not swear. Oh, I could just... Turns out, I'm stupid. That's an excellent point. That's an excellent point. Well, good. No, I'm glad. Honestly, I'm happy I got a sea bass there. I just wouldn't have been satisfied with anything else. What are you up to? Evening, Drew. Newtown in the snow. I just think it's like so romantic. You're hitting on me? Alright, good night, Mr. Dr. Walrus. Sorry, I got distracted by... I mean, for $100, I got it too. Oh, man. I think she's hitting on me. Just hanging. Bookworm. That's right. Oh my gosh, she's totally hitting on me. I expect it in the mail. Find my address and send it to me. You know what the one good thing I can say about this playthrough is? I know the town's layout now, so I can navigate it like a human being could. Yeah, swap it for a fucking sea bass. They're worth less than shit. They're worth less than nothing. They're actively draining my money supply. Every breath I take is a dangerous inch closer to me dying, and sea bass bring only death with their existence. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, bestiality is unacceptable. I wouldn't. I'm not carrying a fishing rod to make out with the sexy fish. That'd be weird. Why is my house light off? Who turned my house light off? Leave the house light on. Oh, this is a beta piece of furniture. This isn't supposed to be in the game, but I have it because I'd love to pick this up. I'd love to. Let me just drop this CD player. Oh shit, yeah. Now isn't that homey as hell? Look at this house. Look at this home that I've found for myself. God, this is just a fucking nightmare to look at. There's just random shit everywhere. Oh my god. What does it say? Nope. Filthy hacker. So tape deck, my daces, blue umbrella, sell that. Oh God. I'm gonna fill the dump with a bunch of garbage. By the end of the fucking... Wait, it comes on Thursday, right? Thursday at 6 a.m. Wait a minute! But I stream Sunday and Wednesday nights! Are you... this joke is stupid. Fuck it. I don't care anymore. Oh my god. That was me realizing that my joke was not gonna go. Don't... Look, man. I will do with my house what I wish. You don't live in my house, I do. That's where my butt sits, not yours. I sit on that extremely inconvenient and strangely placed blue bench. I'm not like... You see, the problem is, like, I would normally, like, create, like, a really nice house, but I don't have a lot of... Oh, what's this? I got a brook trout. Wow, that was terrible. Anyway, Normally I'd like use all my items at my disposal, but I don't have any options because Tom Nook is broke as fuck and can't afford to get any good furniture. Just fruit chairs. Fruit chairs, of course, being Animal Crossing's main, largest commodity. Oh, shit. Oh my god, there's so much sass in my chat all the goddamn time. Oh, Lord. When did I lose control of chat, I wonder? Ooh, a carp. I was thinking back to when I first lost control of my stream, and that was actually Far Cry 4, way back when Nick came on, and then when Nick came into chat, and immediately got into a fight with somebody in chat, and like started threatening to beat him up and shit, which obviously Nick can't do because Nick is a fucking idiot. Anyway, no, you're good. Everything's fine. I'm just being a little hashtag bitter about how everybody's sassing me. I'm so neglectful about getting things put into my proper place. The fuck are you doing? Dude, where are you going? Oh, no. Here we go. Oh, where is this fish going? Where's this water going? Holy hell. What is this fish doing? Come on, man. Alright. Looks more like a fish than a horse. I wish that these were just followed by like something really tragic listed afterwards, like... Hold on. Let's see. I caught a pond smelt. Whew, and I thought a pond smelt bad. My mother is disappointed in me. I wonder what's down here. Nothing? A fat load of nothing? Oh. Oh. Wait. A fossil. A fossil. Oh yeah, the fishing angles for whatever reason are just really horrible. I only, you know, much in the way Paper Mario: The Thousand-Year Door, the only reason I could even begin to do it is not because I'm some amazing angle genius, but rather because I've just played these games so many times. Entertain me. Oh, damn! Oh my god! Like every fucking game, like this is the most amazing thing because this game is just like fucking brutal and just loves to insult me the same way that chat does. D's? God, no wonder everybody wants to insult me. I fucking suck. You wouldn't stand a chance that wouldn't be fair to either of us. Damn. Oh my god, I'll never recover. All my hopes and dreams are shattered. What were you gonna say? Oh, I think I know. I think I know what it is. I think I'll find out soon enough. I'm looking around right now. Whose house is this? It's Maddie's house. I'm looking around right now for buried stuff. Yep, I knew it. I knew that was it. Now, it's now though. My favorite was always when you get like when it would like look like you were getting flustered. Like now, God, you suck now. Getting more and more emphatic. I don't know why, but that tickled me. Tickled my little bones. Damn it. All right, here we go. Get yourself ready, because I know what you're wanting to do. Oh, good. I got a sea bass. Sea bass. My dad doesn't call me son anymore. Don't make it weird. I ain't fucking no one. Now, damn it! What are you doing, you fool? Are you fucking kidding me with this? Look at this guy. Look at this fish. Look at this fucker. He simply is. And that alone is enough. You know what I like to play? Preferably with somebody. Mario Golf. That'd be the most infuriating thing ever if I just pronounced it Mario and refused to change my pronunciation. Oh, thank God. Finally. Not really feeling up to it right now. Sorry. What are you just staring at the fish? Are you staring at the pretty fish? God, you're like an actual dog. Now that I say that, I feel like an idiot, because obviously that would be what a dog would do. Like those pictures of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Oh my God. That's not even funny. What the fuck? Oh my God. For some reason, the pluralization, even the concept of pluralization being Shiba's Inu just makes me laugh for some reason. Because I'm stupid and I know it. Oh. You gotta pluck those weeds, bro. Pluck them weeds. West side. I wonder where Colin and Blake went. Yeah, pretty much. Donate. I got your fish. Here's the fish. Oh, goodness. I'm just gonna go to the river and just get a fish. Doesn't matter which one. Better than a sea bass. Oh, in Wild World, he pretty much exclusively gives like recipes for all the different fish. It's really cool. It's much more like engaging than this one, because this one has like next to nothing in the way of like different text for all the fish. It's just like, oh, these will disappear from time to time. The dry fisherman baddie. Hey, what? And it's like, yeah, that's not funny. Yeah, sure. But in like Wild World, it's like every single one is like, here's how you prepare this fish in the most delicious way. And it's like, are you okay? Are you eating the fish I give you? Yeah, I'll sell. I guess I was stubborn enough I could just start throwing the sea bass back before I even, like, grab them. Which would be, you know, pretty impatient of me. There's only 4 per day, I think. 4 per day being fossils, I mean. Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. Fruit. He eats cherries. Lots and lots of cherries. There's cherries all the hell over. Yeah, see? See? Somebody here seems to get it. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Yeah. We'll deliver email. I want to deposit. Alright, there we go. Sorry. My throat does not feel good. Alright. I'm gonna leave. Pete's gonna be like, hey, flappity flappity flap. Goodbye, Pete. Then we're gonna go back in. And we're gonna tell somebody. We're gonna give her the business. We're gonna give her some postal business. You think I know what I'm talking about even? Because I certainly don't. Don't. Welcome to fishing. Welcome to fishing and nothing but. You know what's strange is like, it's strange to stream this game and then like see like 5 viewers-ish per stream when like previous games that I've done, I just had like nobody here the entire time. When this is literally just me fishing for like an hour at a time. I may have, unfortunately, exhausted my things to do in this particular day of Animal Crossing existence. What is this? What's with these? Well, great. Now I have an empty can. Empty can of tuna? No, fuck that. That's stupid. I'm sorry. That was extremely stupid. And I realized as I was saying, like, this isn't a joke. This is just a statement that might be humorous to me and no one else. I'm probably gonna do Majora's Mask soon, so don't. That's a good point. That's an excellent point, actually. Maybe that's why all 5 everybody. Maybe that's why people are showing up, because they like to have some background noise. And trust me, I make great background noise. That's the wrong angle. Alright, what do we have any? welcome to the next like half hour of gameplay. It's just me wandering back and forth on the beach, catching a sea bass, throwing it back, catching a snapper, keeping it, catching more sea bass, throwing them back. The cycle will continue. Pray to R in Jesus this ends quickly. You know what? I'm just gonna catch one more pocket full and then just turn it all in. Call it a day here. Oh, good. More sea bass. Oh, good. More sea bass. All right, what are you doing? Are you and Maddie gonna do a thing? Because that'll be interesting. That's a good question. I don't know. I always, my go-to would be Skyrim, but it's up to you in the end. Skyrim's a good time. You know what? I'll take it. I am so generous. You won't see his mosaic wall at stores. A small handling charge of 1,000 bells. That's probably it. That's probably what it was. Well, don't worry. All I have to do is catch 30 sea bass and I'll be rolling in the dough. Because that's what I do, is I get... This must be the most incredibly boring thing to watch. I was switching over as soon as I get this thing sold. I can get one more fish. Let's hope it's a good one. Or don't hope it's a good one. I don't care. I mean, I do care. Come on, man. Oh, it's a good one. Well, in that case, we've ended this fishing trip on a good little note. I'll switch over to Majora's. Oh. 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 There we go. Well, that certainly changes things. Marginally. I'll go ahead and just do this. Now, as you see, that's called a pro move in the community of people who play Animal Crossing on Twitch. I don't know. Is there a community for that? Should I be part of that community? Should I try to be part of this community, or should I like just accept that they'll never care for me? I need some water. I probably need to stop thinking out loud too. You know what I'll do? I'll go ahead and I'll look at this mosaic wall as far as like... It is the original Animal Crossing. Hello and welcome. This is the very, very first one. Well, I suppose not the very, very first one, but like... What the hell? Where are these from? Oh! Hey. But yeah, this is the original one, yes. And this is my extremely messy house. God, that looks horrid. She's like, you can't get this in stores. Meanwhile, I'm like, yeah, maybe. I'll look and see if I can get it in stores, but I doubt I'm going to want it. Yeah. Oh, are you... I just took a loss! A massive loss! I have played New Leaf. I don't have any kind of capture card for it, so I could never stream it. But I have played it. I really enjoyed it, or at least what I played of it. Okay, that's what I thought. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really nice and really fun and a nice like continuation to the series. I'd like to go back to it someday whenever I have more time on my hands. Who knows when that'll be, but you know, I can dream. I can dream of the future in which I can play Animal Crossing to my heart's content. Though I will say I haven't touched New Leaf in months, and I've been thinking about going back to it, and I was like, yeah, no one in my town's going to be happy about that. Because they're all going to think I'm a big old meanie. A meanie bobini. Because I've left them before. Yeah, the small screen is a little bit kind of cramped. I'd love to use... a 3DS XL. I just don't have one. If I had a 3DS XL, I'd probably play that game a lot more, as well as other games. It's that early adopter problem of I have the smaller original version that I don't want to replace. Oh man, there were all sorts of reasons to have a GameCube. I'm sure everybody else could list them off better than I could, but I never read these letters. Wow. These are savage. These are just brutal insults that I can't even stand. I'm just going to show this one again because I love it. I'm just begging for release from my incredibly confusing letter writing. Save. I would love to save. Oh, goodness. All right. So I'm done with this game because I've run out of things to do. And walking back and forth on the beach for hours on end would be... Oh, man. I'd say the field of view is pretty... I'd say the field of view is pretty good for New Leaf. It never felt like it was super cramped, but I would love to have more space. I am, of course... a bigger is better kind of person. I live in Texas, of course. I think bigger is better. Oh goodness! But yeah, I had a good time with New Leaf. I thought it was a really fun game. Lots of very interesting stuff to it. All right, let's do a little bit of this action. All right. And I'll switch over games to something else, probably Majora's Mask. And then update it. Oh, goodness. It's a good state. It's a good state to live in. Or at least I like it. I don't know if anybody else does. I'm sure there's plenty of thoughts to be had about it. Oh my god. I just saw the Game Boy connector being listed on the back of that box, and I was like, that's beautiful. All right. Let's go ahead and pop this in. All right. Okay. All right. And then I want to go over here. Oh god, what's a clever title about Majora's Mask? I have no idea what it would be. Uh, d- uh, d- um, oh god, what would it? I can't think of any jokes. I'm just blanking on jokes. I'm blanking on jokes related to the Majoras and the Basques and all that. Okay. All right, give me one moment. I'm going to stop the stream and then update it and then start the stream again. So bear with me for a second. Stick around. I'm going to be right back.